Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, I want to show you this ascending triangle once again, and we will also take a look at this next resistance of $40,000 as well. And right now, the price line is at the support of a very big Ichimoku cloud on the weekly time frame, and we will also take a look at the different indicators to compare this sell-off with the recent sell-off which we had from April to July 2021. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart. And remember, we have broken out a very big channel, and right now, after breaking out this channel, we have formed, the Bitcoin has formed here an ascending triangle, and this is the support we have. And if the price line will move down to test the support once again, that will be here approximately. This time can be at 37,500 approximately. And if it will move up to the resistance that we have at $45,000, that is also a very strong price level resistance as well. If I place this trend line at $45,000, then we can see that previously this level has been working as a resistance, support, and support here, and even before that, support. So many times it has been working as a support and resistance. Therefore, this time it is again turned to a very strong resistance. Here we had a rejection, here, and recently here we had another rejection. And this $40,000 is also a very strong resistance. You can see we also have this red line, the EMA 21 on this daily time frame chart, exactly there where we have this $40,000 resistance. And we moved up, but again we moved down below this support of $40,000, even though we had the closing above $40,000 on the same candlestick. But right now we are moved below this support and moving towards the support of the ascending triangle. And you can see previously here it has worked as a support, and here as a support, and here as a resistance. So it is also a nice resistance, strong resistance for the price line. And right now we are not able to even break out this resistance as well. I'm expecting that we may have another reversal move from here to break this $40,000 resistance, and to make another attempt to break out the 45K resistance as well. Because if we switch to the weekly time frame chart, then here we still have a very nice support of the Ichimoku cloud on the weekly time frame. You can see that we have the support of the bullish cloud, and the bullish cloud work as a strong support as compared to the bearish cloud, and the bearish cloud work as a strong resistance for the price line. Right now we are having the support of the bullish cloud, even though we have received a death cross or bear cross between these conversion and the baselines of the Ichimoku cloud, and this lagging span of the Ichimoku cloud is already inside the cloud. We need this lagging span above the candlesticks. However, we are having nice support of the cloud, and unless this support won't be broken down, we can expect that Bitcoin is going to form another higher than previous high, like it is forming higher low than previous low and higher than previous high as well. Here it formed another this low, other low was higher than previous low, and right now it is likely to form another higher than previous low, and it can also form another higher than previous high as well. Now let's take a look at the daily time frame chart at directional movement index. By the way, we also have this stochastic just turning bullish from the oversold zone, and it has already given us the buying signal, like this blue line has crossed the orange line. Now let's move to the daily time frame chart. Then here we can see that despite this sell-off, the red line of this directional movement index is down. The value of this red line is right now 19, and we can see this orange line that represents the bears is continuously moving to the downside, and we are we have these two lines, that like this blue line and orange line, very close to each other, and soon we can expect a bull cross between these two lines, and after that we can have a buying signal by this directional movement index. And this ADX shows the power of bulls or bears. Right now you can see it is down. For example, if we will have a powerful sell-off like we had here previously, we had this sell-off in the month of December, and you can see that the ADX was up, and this bearish line, this orange line, was also up. That is the negative directional index. And right now we have the negative directional index above the positive directional index, but ADX, that is showing the power of bulls or bears, is down. Therefore, it is showing that this sell-off is not as that much powerful like we had previously here in the month of December 2021. And even we can see that here we had this directional movement, and the ADX of the directional movement index very up. The value was above 50, and we also had this bearish line above the bullish line back in the month of May to July 2021. Therefore, we had extreme sell-off. Right now, the situation is not as that much bearish like we had previously. Even on the weekly time frame chart, we can see that this directional movement index, this ADX of the directional movement index, is down. And this is the reason that I am expecting that the price line can have a reversal move from here to make another attempt to break out this resistance of the triangle and the 45K resistance as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.